there, so I'm here to show you these new reusable water balloons that we just got for our pool. They have a really soft cotton interior and they have this rubber outside. The balls actually do absorb water, so if you're playing with them when you first put them in, they do float in the water. And then once they would get full of water, they will sink to the bottom. So you could use these as both like a throwing game, like water balloons, or also use them as a diving game as well. So they're super soft. They're not painful at all when they hit you. They do make a nice splash like a water balloon, and they are reusable. One of the other cool things about these is that they are noctilucent, which means that once they absorb some sun, they will glow at night. So we're going to check that out. All right, so I'm here at night, and this is what they look like. I'm going to zoom out a little. And here you can see they do glow. You can kind of see that luminescent, noctilucent is what they call it, light glow.